Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at Plancorp, a wealth management firm found at plancorp.com. Their website serves as a comprehensive hub for individuals seeking guidance on their financial journeys. It's a clean and well-organized platform, making navigation easy and intuitive. You'll find a wealth of information about their services, investment philosophy, and the team behind Plancorp. They clearly emphasize their commitment to providing personalized financial planning and investment management. The site showcases their approach to understanding client needs, creating tailored strategies, and building long-term relationships. They offer various resources, including articles, blog posts, and even videos, demonstrating their dedication to educating their clients about financial matters. Plancorp highlights its team's expertise and credentials, providing biographical information and showcasing their experience in the field. Furthermore, the site features testimonials and case studies, which offer potential clients insights into the positive impact Plancorp has had on others' financial well-being. They also address common concerns about wealth management, offering clear explanations and emphasizing transparency in their operations. Plancorp's online presence reflects a modern, client-focused approach to financial planning. They encourage visitors to connect with them for a consultation, providing multiple avenues for communication. Overall, Plancorp.com offers a detailed and informative overview of their services and philosophy, portraying a strong image of professionalism and expertise in wealth management. They appear to be a reputable firm with a strong focus on building lasting relationships with their clients and providing personalized financial solutions. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information.